Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are from fifth group. We will present about medical instrument. Okay, next. And our team, there is Rama Bagus, Rohima Kusuma, Azaria Salsa, Salvia, and Adelard. Next. Uh, Number one, stethoscope. Definition of stethoscope is medical instrument used to listen to internal sounds of the body, such as heart, lung, and bowel sounds. Next. And the description from stethoscope is a stethoscope is a handled medical device used by healthcare professionals to auscultate internal body sounds and particularly those produced by the heart, lungs, and intestine. It typically consists of earpieces, flexible tubbing, and a cheese pieces with a diaphragm and bell that transmit sound to the examiner's ears. Next. And the function from stethoscope is a stethoscope function as a diagnostic tool that amplifies and transmits internal body sound to the examiner, allowing healthcare professionals to assess the condition of organ inside the body. It is primarily used to listen to heart sounds to identify abnormalities such as murmurs or irregular rhythms, lung sound to detect conditions like wheezing, crickles, or reduced air entry, and bowel sound to evaluate gastrointestinal activity. In addition, a stethoscope can be used to assist in measuring blood pressure when combined with a sphygmomanometer, and it helps clinicians monitor disease progression, progression, treatment response, and overall patient health through routine physical examination. And next. And sphygmomanometer definition is a sphygmomanometer is a device used to measure arterial blood pressure, usually expressed as systolic pressure over diastolic pressure. And next. And the description of sphygmomanometer is number one, evaluable curve and wrapped around the upper arm to temporarily stop blood flow in the artery, and pressure measuring unit like mercury sphygmomanometer, aneroid sphygmomanometer, digital sphygmomanometer, and inflammation system, and can a rubber bulb and valve to inflate and deflate the cuff, and a stethoscope for manual measurement and use it to listen to curved tooth sound over the brachial artery. The function from sphygmomanometer is number one, can measuring systolic blood pressure. Number two, can pressure when the heart contracts. Number three, can measuring diastolic blood pressure. Number four, can pressure when the heart relaxes. Number five, assessing cardiovascular health. Number six, help detect hypertension, hypotension, and monitor treatment effectiveness. Number seven, clinical monitoring. Number eight, used in hospitals, clinics, and home care settings. Next.
Spud definition. Spud is a medical instrument used to inject medication or withdraw fluid from the body. Next. Spud description. A spud consists of a barrel, plunger, and needle. In it is commonly used by healthcare works in hospital and clinics. Next, function to inject drugs, vaccine, or take blood sample.
And thermometer definition is a thermometer is a medical instrument used to measure body temperature. Next. And then description a thermometer is made of plastic or glass and has a temperature sensor at one end. Modern thermometers are usually digital and show the temperature on a screen. They can be used orally, axially, under the armpit, rectally, or on the forehead, depending on the type. Next. And the function is thermometer to measure body temperature and help detect fever or hypothermia. It's important for diagnosing disease and monitoring a patient's health condition.
Pen-like definition, a pen-like is a portable handheld illuminator that resembles a fountain pen. It is a fundamental tool in a clinician's basic examination kit used to provide a focused beam of light for inspecting body cavities and assessing neurological reflex. And and description 3. Anatomy of the tool. Standard pen light consists of a durable casing or stainless steel or heavy duty plastic, a light source, LED or halogen bulb, a battery compartment or typical taking a battery, and a pocket clip. Two like characteristics, halogen or incandescent emits a warm yellow light which is often preferred for checking tissue color. Without the blue tint distortion of early LEDs. LED emits a bright, cool, white light, offering longer battery life and higher intensity for checking pills in break rooms. And pupil gauges, high quality medical pen lights often feature a pupil gauge, a scale of circle length from 2 mm uh, to 9 mm print on the side, allowing the doctor to objectively measure and document pupil size rather than cushion. Pen-like function, neurological assessment, or PARRLI. The primary use is to test the pupillary light reflex. The doctor swings the light into the patient's eye to observe if the pupil constricts or direct reflex, and if the opposite pupil constricts simultaneously or consensual reflex. This tests the integrity of the optic nerve and oculomotor nerve. Oropharyngeal examination, it illuminates the oral cavity to visualize the tonsils, uvula, and posterior pharynx, aiding in the diagnosis of pharyngitis, tonsillitis, or peritonsillar abscess. Transilluminance in pediatrics or ENT, ear, nose, throat exam, the like, can be pressed against the skin to detect fluid in the sinus or to check the scrotum for hydrocele or fluid collection. And hospital room, IGD Emergency Installation Definition. The emergency department is a specialist unit in a hospital that provides immediate medical care to patients with acute illness, injury, or life-threatening conditions. And description: the EGD operates 24 hours a day and is designed to manage patients who require urgent or a critical care. Patients are usually assessed using a threat system with priorities treatment based on the severity of the patient's condition. Common cases treated in the EGD include trauma and accidents, heart attack and stroke, severe infection, sepsis, respiratory distress, loss of consciousness, and seizures. The EGD is staffed by emergency physicians, nurse, and support staff who are trained to act quickly and efficiently in high pressure situations. EGD function: the main function of the EGD are: one, rapid assessment and stabilization of emergency patient; two, life-saving intervention or airway management (CPR), emergency medication; three, initial diagnosis and management of acute condition; four, referral or admission to a patient wards, intensive care unit, or other specialties; and five, disaster and mass casualty management.
Okay, inpatient room. The definition is a specialist clinical department within a hospital facility where patients are admitted for non-critical but essential medical care that requires an overnight stay or longer. It serves as the bridge between emergency stabilization or ER and going home. And next. So the description from inpatient room is a classification. What are often segregated by specialties such as internal medicine wards, surgical wards, and pediatric ward and or maternity ward. The ecosystem, the ward operators on a routine schedule. The day typically begin with morning rounds, where a team of doctors, like consultants, residents, and interns, visit every patient to review charts, check pathology result, and modify treatment plans. So environment, the setting is designed from recovery. It includes the nursing session or the common center from patient files and monitoring. Treatment rooms are for minor procedures like change dressing, and patient rooms equipped with oxygen supply, all units and hygiene facility. Section wall unit and hygiene facilities. Okay, next. And the function from inpatient room is continuous management, like providing ongoing treatment that cannot be done at home, such as managing complex diabetes and administering IV and in an antibiotic from severe infection or pain management. Pre and post operative care, preparing patient for surgery, like fasting, bowel preparation, and managing their recovery, like wound care, mobilization, monitoring from complication like DVT. So multidisciplinary care, the ward facilitates collaboration between various healthcare professionals, including dietitians like for nutrition and physiotherapists for mobility and pharmacists, ensuring holistic patient care. Next.
Operating room definition. An operating room is a special room in a hospital where surgical procedures are performed. Next. The operating room is designed to maintain the highest level of cleanliness and sterility in order to prevent infection. The room has controlled air circulation, proper lighting, and strict hygiene protocols. It's equipped with an operating table that can be adjusted according to the patient's position, powerful surgical lights for clear visibility, and advanced medical equipment such as anesthesia machine, suction device, and vital sign monitor. All instruments used in an operating room are sterilized before and after each procedure. Medical staff such as surgeons, anesthesiologists, and nurses wear special sterile clothing to maintain cleanliness during surgery. Only authorized medical staff are allowed to enter the room to ensure patient safety. Next. And function is used to carry out surgical procedure in a clean and controlled environment. Its main function is to ensure the surgeries can be performed safely by reducing the risk of infection and complication. The room provides all necessary facilities such as sterile surgical instrument, anesthesia equipment, and patient monitoring system. It's also allow doctors and nurses to work efficiently as a team during operation and to handle any emergency situation that may occur. Overall, the operation room plays an important role in supporting patient safety and successful surgical treatment.
Definition ICU definition, the intensive care unit or ICU is a high acuity department dedicated to the management of patients with life-threatening illness, injuries, or complication. It represents the highest level of medical care available in a hospital setting. Next. Description staffing dynamic. The ICU is defined by its high staff to patient ratio. A single nurse often cares for only one or two patient, allowing for minutes by minutes observation. The medical team is led by intensive doctors specialists in critical care medicine. Technological infrastructure, mechanical ventilation for patient unable to breathe on their own, due to respiration failure or coma. Invasive monitoring, unlike the ward ICU, patients often have arterial lines for real-time blood pressure monitoring and central venous catheter for delivering potent medication direct into large veins. Dialysis machines for continuous kidney support in unstable patient. Next. Function organ system support. The core function is to artificially support failing organ. This includes the lungs or ventilators using vasopressor inotropes to maintain blood pressure and kidney dialysis via hemodynamic stabilization managing patient is in shock sepsis cardiogenic or hypovolemic by carefully balancing food and medication to ensure oxygen reach vital organs. Strict isolation and infection control. Many ICU have isolation room with negative pressure to manage highly infection disease or to protect immunocompromised patient, like organ transplant recipients for outside camps. Next.
Outpatient or polyclinic. Definition: a polyclinic is an outpatient healthcare facility that provides medical examination, treatment, and consultation by general practitioners and medical specialists without inpatient care. Description: a polyclinic is usually located within hospitals, community health and health centers, or clinics. Services are delivered on a scheduled basis according to specialty clinic or internal medicine, pediatrics, surgery. It focuses on initial diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up care. Function outpatient or polyclinic. Number one, providing outpatient medical service. Number two, diagnosing and treating mild to moderate illness. Number three, offering medical consultation and follow-up visits. Number four, conducting screening and early disease detection. Number five, referring patients to advanced care when necessary.
Okay, the presentation is finished, and if there are any mistakes, I apologize. And thank you so much for my team. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.